bird attacks have subsided for the time being. There are reports of minor attacks on Sebastopol and a few on Santa Rosa. Off by roadblocks. Most of the townspeople have managed to get out, but there are still some isolated pockets of people. The reason the bird attack is clear as yet.
There are 8,650 species of birds in the world today. It is estimated that 5,750,000,000 birds live in the United States alone. The 5 continents of the world probably contain more than 100 billion birds. How could we possibly hope to fight them?
Did you hear anything on the radio?
It's all right. Come on.
It's the end of the world.